What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, and I'm coming to you today with this video. What I'm doing is this air conditioning unit. As you can see, the ground here, it's pretty saturated and wet, and it's constantly, from the dripping of the AC unit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig a little trench and run it out, and then I'm gonna run some PVC pipe, and run it underneath the ground here, and then put a little basin there, a pop-up basin, and for water to run down and drain, and if it overflows, it'll overflow in that pop-up basin and then run down there. So I'll show you what I want to be doing here, and it's just a little something to keep that water away from your house. Okay, family, so as you can see, I've dug the trench. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I got this pop-up emitter right here. So with this pop-up drain emitter, it's a 4-inch. So 4-inch. So I needed my pipe that I'm running is 3/4. So I got this reducer that's going to reduce it from 4 inches down to 2 inches. As you can see it like that. And then I got another reducer here that's going to reduce that down from 2 inches down to 3/4. And then I'm going to run that drainage here, and what'll happen is the water from the air conditioning, when it drains, it'll drain down this trench right here with the pipe inside the pipe. It'll run inside of here, and then it'll drain out the back right here into the soil. And then if it overflows, the water will fill up here, and the drain emitter will pop open, and the water will come out of there. It's not gonna produce that much water, but it runs when it's during the summertime. It runs all the time. So this just is a way to get this water away from the house, from being all muddy right here, and just drain it out and let it go in the soil, and run on out. So this is not your full drainage system. So a full drainage system will run this thing. You would dig a trench and down that hill, running out down that hill down there. That's a lot of digging, and that's a very expensive project. And this is just something that's inexpensive, and just to resolve this small situation. All right, I'll be right back, family. Okay, family, as you can see, I put a little rock down here just so this back where it drains out in, it can drain into that rock right there to kind of make it a slow drain, and not just because this is like a little harder clay, so it'll help with the drainage. Okay, family, so as you can see, I've ran a drain. Now the important thing is I put a union right here, and the reason I put a union right here, so if you ever have to clean the drain out, you can disconnect it from the union right here, take it off, and then and suck it out with a vacuum and blow it out that way, and you will see it pop up on that other end. That way you'll know that drain is cleared out. So for future references is why I did it, to make it easier to come back here and do repairs. And some people do things and make it hard for you to come back. No, I want it to be easy if I have to come back. So here's the simple solution right here, family. Dig a trench, run some 3/4 PVC pipe, and get that water away from the house. So now I'm going to fill it in. I put rock. I had so much rock. I just put some rock underneath there, for a little support. I'm going to fill it back in with dirt, but, I figured why not. So I'm going to fill this dirt back in, family, and I'll show you the end results. Okay, YouTube family. So this is the final result. As you can see, this is the complete installation, and I have a union right there to make sure I'll be able to access that drain in the future. All right, family, I want to thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.